You spend all your time looking at your car's interior, but what if the one thing you touch most often felt cheap? This tiny upgrade promises to fix that entire experience by bringing a genuine luxury feel right back to your fingertips. We're looking at the black gear shift knob designed specifically for select automatic transmission vehicles, particularly those A7, A6, and PA-style C7 models from 2016 through 2018. Right off the bat, the most critical detail here is compatibility. This is strictly for left-hand drive automatic transmissions. If you're driving a manual or a right-hand drive model, this isn't for you. But if you fit the criteria, prepare for a serious interior refresh. The design is sleek, featuring a deep black finish that immediately elevates the center console. But the real star is the included leather boot gaiter. This isn't just about looks, it's about tactile quality. The leather feels substantial and durable, giving that satisfying, premium touch every time you engage the shifter. It's an ergonomic upgrade, too. The shape is designed to enhance driving comfort, making those smooth gear shifts feel even more natural and precise. What really impresses is the PA-style C7 integration. This isn't some universal part that almost fits. It's engineered to look like it came straight from the factory, ensuring a seamless, integrated look with your existing interior trim. That level of detail is essential when upgrading a luxury vehicle. And here's the best part for the DIY crowd. Installation is genuinely easy. The product description promises a hassle-free upgrade with no modifications required, and that's exactly what you get. You can swap out your old, worn knob for this modern, stylish piece without needing specialized tools or a trip to the mechanic. It's a quick win for anyone looking to refresh their cabin aesthetic and improve the daily driving experience. If you own one of these specific LHD automatic models and are looking for a high-quality, integrated, and comfortable upgrade that truly enhances the feel of your vehicle, this gear shift knob is an absolute must-have. It delivers on its promise of style, comfort, and perfect fitment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.